Hi, I'm Lee Stevens from easycurtains.co.uk, and if you buy one of our corded bay tracks, or any of our corded tracks come to that, you can make some adjustments to them to do with the gliders, to do with the cord. So let's go and have a quick look what you can do. Right, one of the first things you can do is, once you've fitted the corded track and you've got the cord tensioner fastened to the wall at the side, you may find that the cords are either too slack or a little bit too tight. So you can make an adjustment, and it's from the main carrier on the track. Now, we've got a cord sticking out here, and inside here, I don't know whether you can see it, it's a little small screw. And if we loosen that screw, we can then either add tension or remove tension from the cord in the track once it's fitted. So I'm going to put the screwdriver in here, that little screw here. There we go, very small screw. And we're going to take anti-clockwise, loosen the screw, quite a few turns. Let's see if we've taken it out enough. Then we can grab hold of it, and now we can pull the cord out, as you see. And you can also pull it from the cord tensioner end, and that will give you more slackness on the cord and less tension. So, and then once you've got it in the right position, we're just going to go back in, and we're going to just tighten the screw up clockwise again, all the way back in, and that will grip the cord at that point. Now, there is another adjustment you can make. You may want to remove gliders or add gliders into your track. Now, on the end of the track here, on the pulley, we've got a little screw, and that's the only thing that locks this onto the end of the track. So we're going to anti-clockwise again. I'm going to remove a little bit too much, and the screws come out the end there. We'll put that back in afterwards. And you can remove your gliders from the end of the track now. So we're going to put this back in. Be careful when you're putting the pulley back onto the track that you keep the cords reasonably taut, because you don't want them to catch in the pulley system and then pinch the cords, and you can't tighten them back up. So I'm just going to put the screw back in here now, clockwise, tighten it back up. Now, if you order extra gliders and you don't ask us to fit them to the track, you don't need to remove the end pulley to fit them. The click fit, and what you can do is, if you can just see them there, we're going to rock them into the track, and they're going to lock in. So we put them into the back of the track, and then we can just snap them in place. And there's another one. And once they're in tight. You would have to remove the pulley on the end to actually get them out. They won't fall out under the weight of the curtains. So they're the adjustments that you can actually make to these tracks. So I hope that was useful, and thank you very much for watching.